Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today we are making this delicious, quick and easy Italian sausage and peppers meal. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright, let's get straight on into it. I am using traditional Italian sausage, but guys, feel free to substitute with whatever sausage you want to. Now I've got my green peppers, red peppers, and onions roughly chopped, and then potatoes. Once again, feel free to use whatever potatoes you like, and feel free to use whatever peppers you like. Next we have black pepper, we have adobo seasoning, Italian seasoning, paprika, and parsley. If you are not using pre-cooked sausage and you're using raw sausage like I am, you are going to need to parboil your sausage. And what I mean by parboil, you want to boil them till they're almost done but still a little pink in the center. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I've got my cast iron skillet. I am going to fill it halfway with water, and then I'm going to add my sausage and start to parboil them. Once your sausage have boiled for at least 6 to 8 minutes, go ahead and turn them over and boil them for another 6 to 8 minutes. And guys, once again, if you are using pre-cooked sausage, you do not have to do this step at all because your sausages are already cooked. You can go ahead and move on to the next step. So this is what I mean by you just want to parboil them. You don't want to get them all the way done because they still have a lot more cooking to do. But once they get to this step, go ahead and pull your sausages out and put them to the side in a bowl because we are going to cut them up. Let them cool off first because they will be hot. Now you want to pour out all of the water out your cast iron skillet because we are going to go ahead and start sauteing our vegetables in the same pot. Now you want to grab about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil or whatever oil of your choice and drizzle the pan and then let the oil heat up. Once the oil has heated up and started bubbling, go ahead and add your veggies so you can start sauteing them. And you want to saute them not all the way till they get too soft, just a little crunchy. While our veggies are sauteing, you want to go ahead and start chopping up your sausages. Cut them on like a slight angle, or you can cut them up however you want to, but I usually cut mine up at a soft angle. Alright, so once we cut up all of our sausages and our veggies have sauteed, we're going to go ahead and add the sausages to the veggies. Alright, we're going to brown these sausages up for a good 6 to 8 minutes, constantly stirring. You want to kind of get like a little brown crust on your sausages. While you're browning your sausages, put your cut up potatoes in a bowl, and after your sausages have finished browning in the mixture, we want to take our potatoes and then we're going to drizzle them with a little bit more oil on the bottom layer. And then after we do that, we're going to go ahead and pour our mixture directly on top of the potatoes. Go ahead and mix that all up, and now we're going to get to starting on putting our seasonings in our mixture. First, we're going to start with our Italian seasoning. We're going to do about 2 tablespoons, a hefty mixture of the Italian seasonings because that's what's going to make it taste Italian. After that, we're going to go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of pepper. Next, it's about a tablespoon, well, not even a tablespoon, a little less than a tablespoon of the adobo seasoning. And then we're going to add about 1/4 of a tablespoon to a half a tablespoon of the paprika for color. And then I always add about a tablespoon of parsley just for extra added measure. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit more olive oil on top of our sausage and peppers. Then I'm going to put a lid on top of it, and I'm going to shake it all up to make sure that everything is distributed nice and evenly. If you do not have a top for your bowl, then feel free to use aluminum foil or plastic wrap. All right, once we got it all shaken up, everything should look nice and evenly distributed. Should look just like this. After we do this, we are going to go ahead and put our mixture back into our cast iron skillet. If you did not use a cast iron skillet, just put it in a baking dish. It'll do just fine with that. Now you want to go ahead and put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. For the last 10 minutes, you can put a lid on it, which will seal in all of the juices. All right, guys, after it has been 45 minutes and you put a top on for the last 10 minutes, your food is done. Voila. The most delicious Italian sausage and pepper meal that you would ever want. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Hope to see you guys in past, present, and future videos, and enjoy.